Looking for complete car coverage and crystal clear recordings? Meet the V8 Plus 4-channel dash cam, front, rear, and interior cameras all in stunning 4K UHD. 4K UHD front, rear, and interior recording. Capture every detail on the road and inside your vehicle with ultra-high definition 4K video. 360 degrees 4-channel coverage. Full 360-degree monitoring records front, rear, and inside the cabin simultaneously for maximum protection. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Stream and download footage instantly and track your route with GPS mapping. Voice control and CPL filter. Hands-free voice commands make it easy to record or take snapshots, while the CPL filter reduces glare for clearer daytime videos. WDR night vision and 24H parking mode. Wide dynamic range night vision ensures clear low-light recording, and 24-hour parking mode protects your car while unattended. Comes with a free 64 GB memory card to get started. Complete 4-channel coverage captures every angle of your car. 4K ultra-clear video with night vision ensures nothing goes unnoticed. Voice control and Wi-Fi streaming make it convenient and user-friendly. Initial setup may take a few minutes to configure all features. Slightly larger unit may block part of the windshield if not mounted carefully. Overall, the V8 Plus 4-channel dashcam is ideal for drivers who want full coverage, high-resolution recording, and smart features for peace of mind on every trip. Check out the V8 Plus dashcam on Amazon today and upgrade your car's safety. Link is in the description.